Encountering the Wi-Fi password incorrect error with your Google Nest Cam can be frustrating. This video explains why this happens and sets the stage for troubleshooting. The error generally arises during the initial setup, after a power outage, following router changes, or even after a firmware update. It indicates a mismatch between the password your Nest Cam is trying to use and the actual Wi-Fi network password. We'll guide you through the common causes and provide a clear path to resolution. The most basic yet crucial step is to meticulously verify your Wi-Fi password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, and even a single extra space can cause the error. Ensure your Nest Cam is connecting to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as some models don't support 5 GHz. Also, confirm your router is broadcasting its SSID network name and is using WPA2 or WPA3 security protocols. Nest Cams typically don't support captive portals or enterprise-level security like Radius. Google has significantly improved the Google Home app to help resolve Wi-Fi issues. Open the app and navigate to your Nest Cam's settings. Look for an option to update the Wi-Fi network. The app often provides an interactive troubleshooter that can detect Wi-Fi problems in real time and suggest step-by-step fixes. This feature was significantly enhanced in the 2025 Q3 app redesign. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app for the best experience. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve cached data conflicts. First, try restarting your Nest Cam by holding the power button for about 5 seconds. If that doesn't work, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Once both devices are back online, attempt to reconnect your Nest Cam to your Wi-Fi network through the Google Home app. Many users in community forums have found success with this combined reset approach. Outdated firmware can cause various connectivity problems. Use the Google Home app to check for and install any available firmware updates for your Nest Cam. Newer Nest Cam models, like the Nest Cam Indoor V2.0 from 2024, support WPA3 encryption, which can cause compatibility issues with older routers. If you recently upgraded your router, ensure your Nest Cam's firmware is up to date to support the new security protocols. Google provides migration guides for these scenarios. If you're using a mesh Wi-Fi network, like Google Nest Wi-Fi or Eero, ensure the Wi-Fi password is consistent across all nodes. Inconsistent passwords can cause intermittent connection issues. If your Wi-Fi network is hidden and not broadcasting its SSID, you'll need to manually enter the network name during the Nest Cam setup process. Double-check that you're entering the SSID correctly, as it's also case-sensitive. Wireless interference from other devices can significantly impact your Nest Cam's Wi-Fi connection. Common sources include microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and cordless phones that operate on similar frequencies. These devices can interfere with the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band that your Nest Cam uses, causing signal disruptions and connection problems. To improve signal strength, try moving your Nest Cam closer to your router. This reduces the distance the Wi-Fi signal needs to travel and can bypass interference sources. You can also use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to check signal strength throughout your home and identify areas with potential interference. These apps provide visual maps of your Wi-Fi coverage and can help you position your Nest Cam in the optimal location for the strongest connection. Remember, a strong and stable Wi-Fi signal is essential for reliable Nest Cam operation, ensuring consistent video quality and responsive performance. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and are still experiencing the Wi-Fi password incorrect error, it might be time to seek professional support. Users with a Nest Aware subscription can access premium support, including live chat. Contact Google Nest support directly through their website or app. They can provide personalized assistance and may identify hardware issues that require repair or replacement. Remember to have your Nest Cam's model number and serial number handy when contacting support.